My name is Utsav Nangalia. I'm an aerospace engineer, and I was working for a Japanese aerospace company when I come to the conclusion of building a startup in Vedic scriptures. और इसकी कहानी की शुरुआत भी जापान से ही होती है. वहाँ पे मैं 2020 में काम कर रहा था. उस टाइम आपको पता होगा कि इंडियन गवर्नमेंट ने एक नई एजुकेशन पॉलिसी लॉन्च की थी, विच इज़ NEP 2020. इन दी NEP 2020 देयर वाज अ प्रोविजन जिसको दिया गया था कि भारतीय ग्रंथों को हम कैसे स्कूल्स और यूनिवर्सिटी के एजुकेशन करिकुलम में लेके आ सकते हैं. सो वी आइडेंटिफाइड द प्रॉब्लम. हमने प्रॉब्लम जो आइडेंटिफाई की थी वो ये देखा था कि जो भारतीय ग्रंथ है बहुत स्कैटर्ड है, बहुत फ्रैगमेंटेड है. सो हाउ कैन वी बिल्ड अ कस्टमाइज्ड लाइब्रेरी ऑफ वैदिक स्क्रिप्चर्स इन सच अ मैनर कि आप किसी भी एक स्क्रिप्चर के श्लोक पे विद इन अ 5 सेकंड, जैसे आप QR कोड स्कैन कर रहे हैं किसी को वोट करने के लिए, इज इट पॉसिबल कि मैं आपको QR कोड को स्कैन करके किसी एक स्क्रिप्चर के किसी एक चैप्टर के किसी एक श्लोक पे पहुंचा सकता हूँ. सो दिस वॉज द टारगेट वी आर ट्राइंग टू सॉल्व राइट नाउ. सो हमारी प्रॉब्लम इसी से शुरुआत हुई थी कि हमने एक PDFs को गैदर किया, जितनी भी स्क्रिप्चर्स की PDFs वगैरह हैं हमने उनको एनालाइज किया, उनको स्टडी किया, हमने उनको इंडेक्स किया है, एंड देन वी हैव बिल्ट अ कस्टमाइज्ड लाइब्रेरी ऑफ वैदिक स्क्रिप्चर्स. बट बिफोर दैट स्क्रिप्चर्स हम लोगों ने सोचा कि इज इट पॉसिबल कि पीपल आर इवन स्टडिंग द स्क्रिप्चर, इज देयर एनी मार्केट फॉर दिस. सो वी कन्स्ड सम numbers and we come to the conclusion that yes, there are people who are studying Vedic scriptures, and we have almost 200 to 300 million copies of Gita Press Gorakhpur books being sold around the world and in India. So there is a market for it. But we realized that these are only 20 to 30 out of 400 principal scriptures. There are over 1,000 scriptures written in Indian Hindu Vedic Mangmay, and a million more which are lost or which we don't know about them. So how can we bring them to life? Okay. So what we have done is, when it comes to a scripture, we have built a scalable library of Vedic scriptures. We have indexed 80 scriptures which currently host around 8 lakh verses. और आप किसी भी उन 8 लाख श्लोकों पे एक QR कोड को स्कैन करके पहुंच सकते हैं. You can study the verse, you can get the word by word meaning of that verse in 11 languages, and currently we are also bringing audios for that single shlokas. So imagine you can just reach a shloka, listen to an audio within all just a bunch of 5 seconds. That I think is quite innovative when it comes to a scripture. So we also have a bunch of features on the platform, as I mentioned, word by word meaning, audio resources, and playlist. And currently what we are building is how can we integrate scriptures into Indian schools and curriculums. So what we have done is we have built a very customized LMS where each and every scripture can be taught in a module where we import the verses from the library, where the acharya is and the teacher, they import the verses from the library and they build their own customized module for their need of the students. And they can also include study materials, assignment, quizzes, and tests, where we analyze each and every second which has been spent by a student while learning a shloka. If he कितनी बार उसने श्लोका को सुना है, कितनी बार उसने क्विज दी है, कितने क्वेश्चंस को उसने सही किया है, नहीं किया है, कितना टाइम स्पेंड किया है. वी एनालाइज ईच एंड एवरी स्टेप ऑफ द लर्निंग वे. When it comes to our business model, we are currently hosting all the scriptures are there. There is also a gamified quiz on the scripture where you can just come and play parajumbles, you can play quiz on any shloka, and we also provide audios for these shlokas where we charge you 1 paisa for one shloka. So imagine if you want to listen to Sundarakanda chapter 1 of the Valmiki Ramayana, you have to pay us 2 rupees for listening all the 200 shlokas in one tandem. When it comes to pricing, we have kept a very modest pricing. We offer you 500 mudras for 100 rupees, where, as I said, one mudra costs to one shloka. And when it comes to user base, we have seen quite a healthy traction on our platform. We have over 4 lakh visitors and almost 47,000 active users on the platform. And this is completely organic in nature. We have not marketed the platform to any social media, any other marketing forums, but there was a bit of an intent over there because we wanted to see if there is any actual growth for it, which I think is justified by this diagram. When it comes to global distribution, we have one user from almost 160 countries on our platform, with India, US, and Poland leading the number. We are seeing many Polish people on our platform. We are seeing even Muslims are studying from our platform. There are some Muslim people who said कि हमें भगवद गीता घर में पढ़ने नहीं देते हैं वो लोग. तो they said कि there is आपका platform से हम भगवद गीता पढ़ते हैं, and then we can also say मतलब we are हमारे पेरेंट्स को पता नहीं चलेगा कि हम गीता पढ़ रहे हैं, रामायण पढ़ रहे हैं. So that is also how we are helping people of other communities on our platform. When it comes to our development road cycle, we have currently built the front end and the back end of the LMS. We'll be launching our LMS in the month of May, and we are almost targeting almost 1,000 students and 10 acharyas with which जिनकी मदद से हम लोग ये courses build करेंगे, and we'll be launching the app in the end of the year. When it comes to our development cost, I have personally invested almost 20 lakh rupees of my own money on building the entire platform, and I seek to raise 1 CR for 2%, 2.5% of my company. When it comes to the revenue projections, we are considering that there are almost 5 lakh teachers in this Indian education system currently who are in need of this software. And when it comes to our basic tier pricing of almost 999 a month, we can see estimated revenue of 600 crores if all the teachers are on a basic tier. When it comes to premium tier and university tier, the number are of the roofs. You can see over there. This is the team which is building the platform. We are a team of 11 people with 4 developers and 2, you can say, front-end designers and 4 mentors for scriptures and policy and business.
Your position after 5 years?
It's a bit difficult to say after 5 years. I think I can give you for 1 year projections. We are currently targeting almost 1,000 students and 1 crore in revenue by the end of next financial year. That is our target for now. When it comes to 5 year, I don't have a number for you. So
when we talk about 1,000 users, you are targeting the 1,000
Yes.
students.
yes.
Have you already talked with some of the schools on that
Yes.
line?
Yes, so that's why I have a number for you, because we are not targeting 1 lakh students or 10 lakh students, because that is hypothetical level. We are targeting very small, very baby steps we are taking. So 1,000 students are therefore in 2 schools. One is in Ujjain and one is in Pune. I won't say that we have a MOU signed with them, but we are in talks. Can we pilot our LMS to your university or to your school? So the good thing is the जो school है उसके अंदर they are proper, it's a Gurukulam. It's a proper school where scriptures are taught. So they have almost 600 students over there. And जो University of Pune के अंदर they have almost 400 students in management who are willing to study scriptures through their courses. So that's the number I have feel.